Hi, my name is Wayne Mudiani. I'm a project officer at Dream EP Global Energy Kenya, and today I'm here to show you how the Kuniokoa burning stove is going to be powered by our little Dream box, the LDB. So basically, the new version of the burning stove comes with a fan that regulates the heat and the burning rate when cooking. So basically, the work of the LDB will to power the fan. So meaning that we're going to use renewable energy to power the workability of the burning stove. So first you are going to connect the LDB to make sure that it's working. So back here we have two ports, the solar in and the aux in. But because you're using solar, we have the solar panel down there. So I'm going to connect the solar panel cable to the battery. So as you can see, the battery is charging, meaning that there is enough solar to power the LDB. So when I switch on the LDB, you can see that the LDB has power, so we won't have any challenge in powering the fan. So next I'm going to, using this adapter cable, I'm going to insert it at the 12-volt port of our LDB battery. Just like that, and then with this cable now I'm going to join it together so that the fan can be powered on. So as you can see, the fan is indicating green, which means there is power coming in, and if you place your fingers around here or even inside the burning stove, you can feel some circulation of air. So this node is a regulator that powers the rate at which the fan rotates, so you can lower the speed or increase the speed depending on how you want to. So the Kuniokoa burning stove uses non-carbon briquettes such as these ones. So basically what happens in lighting the Kuniokoa burning stove, you place the briquettes right through here. So depending on the amount of food you want to cook, you can insert as many briquettes as you want. So for us, we are going to insert the number of briquettes we have so far. And then once that is done, now you can use the normal process of lighting a Jiko using papers and a matchstick. So we are going to insert our papers just right above the briquettes. And then we are going to light now the Kuniokoa burning stove. So we are lighting our Kuniokoa burning stove. Same process we do light the normal Jikos. As you can see, the Jiko is lit now, and today we are going to cook some fish. So I have my pan ready. I have my fish right here. So I'm just gonna place the pan right on the stove. Fish is already cooked. So as you can see, the Jiko is still on fire. So I think the fire is too much now.